Don't you want to walk over there?
Oh God, that's a long way.
I gotta try to figure out how this thing works.
We're going all the way over to the yogurt place?
That yogurt place? Hey, there's a pony packet. Where? Right here. Oh, cool. That's an 09 too.
Oh, that's the color I like.
That's the exact car. Look at that.
Huh?
That's exactly what you want right there.
What is it?
2009 pony package.
Huh.
You got this on video?
Huh?
You video this?
I'm videoing the car.
What is a... Oh, I didn't get that face.
I got it.
I didn't get the face.
I got it.
I didn't get the face.
That was a good one. That was good.
This is like the exact car. It's got a
That was a good one.
God, I gotta see the face. That was really good. What do you think?
I like it.
Well, Pop wrote the check.
That's funny.
What's that?
That was it.
What?
You love the color?
That's funny.
You want to go for a ride?
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go for a ride. Can I get in the back?
I was like, what? Who's unlocking it? You want the keys to the other car?
No, I'm getting in to go for a ride.
Would you get in this?
Yeah, we're all going for a ride.
Whoa.
I'll get in the back seat. I think I can fit.